Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have a jura Impresa c60 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it wasn't making coffee and it was grinding coffee, but the machine was making noise but nothing was coming out. So it was basically the water pump that was not pushing out the water coming out of here, and it wasn't making coffee because infused the whole brew was simply need to be replaced. This one is not going back in the way it's supposed to, it's getting stuck in there. So that was basically preventing the machine to make coffee. So test out the machine right now with an extra strong espresso. As you can see, we have really good water flow. You can adjust the grind a little bit more. Right now it's right in the middle, so you would like to have more crema, you can just adjust it a tiny little bit, run 3 shots of espresso, and then you will have a little bit more crema than this. You can adjust it to your liking. Now we're gonna test the hot water. Put it right here. As you can see, good water flow and excellent temperature. And let's see if we can use some steam. Perfect. Now that is heating up, let me prepare the area. Alright, now that is ready. Usually this one is usually less. I'm doing a couple of things in here. As you can see, we're having really good pressure. It's working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Jura Impresa c60 working once again. So thank you for preparing Canning Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.